Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It is bonfire night here and we are at an organised display, bonfire and fireworks display in Shelley. Mike, what's it called where we are?
Stafflex Arena.
Stafflex Arena, that's
Behind
where we've come to. Oh yeah, look up there. It's a bit dark. It's back to front. Stafflex Arena. Yeah. A mystery tub.
Is it a lit balm? Oh.
It is.
Oh, I could do some of that.
So have a look. What did you get?
A lit balm.
Strawberry.
Body shop. Lip balm,
Yeah.
Yes, strawberry, thank you. I need
Nice.
that, and I've got chocolates.
So this is the venue. You can see the bonfire down there, and there's a few stalls. Mike just won a mystery prize on the body shop stall, some lip balm. There's a couple of fairground rides down there as well. We'll have a walk down. And then obviously there's the fireworks display in the field a bit later on. Some games where you win prizes. Safi's got her eye on that scary clown down there. Hope no one takes it. Go and have a go. Got to knock the cans off. Got to ring the reindeer.
Well, I'll have two go survivor.
We'll have a go. We can do. Serena's having a go. Oh, you got. Are you having a go, Safi?
No. Go over there. Prize.
Big prize down there. Thank you.
Go on.
Not too hard.
Oh, nearly. Oh. Oh, never mind. You still get a prize, darling. Oh, she got what she wanted anyway, didn't you? What are you going to get?
I was going to get that.
No, let her have that. She had her eye on it. Wow. Get a Christmas teddy, Serena. And Serena's picked some twistable crayons. Not bad that, was it? So the fireworks are on in about an hour. Mike's got a beer. It's cold.
Cold.
It is cold. I'm going to go and have a look down there now.
No.
Oh, you got your cloud. It just suits you, that, doesn't it? Your stuff like that. Don't lose it. Do you want to carry your other teddies?
There's a piece of fire.
Polka duck. You hooking the duck? Oh, you got one! Yay! She picked a chicken, Teddy. Don't forget your other stuff as well, will ya? We're doing now. Gonna watch fireworks.
What is it, beer?
You driving?
No driving, pal.
I'm not. I'm just sitting waiting for the fireworks now. I think they're starting 10 minutes over there on the field. guys were home. It was a decent fireworks display, a pretty good fireworks. It was very, very busy. It took us a long time to get home, about 2 hours, because the road was just blocked because people had just parked the cars blocking the road and a bus couldn't get through. So we were stuck behind the bus for ages, and then when we just about got home, we broke down. But luckily we broke down like 5 minutes from where we live, and we was near a McDonald's, so I managed to get myself a cup of tea, and my dad was able to come and jumpstart with us being near home, so we eventually got the van started. Hope it starts in the morning for school. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog now, guys. I'm going to have my nice McDonald's tea and my nice Christmas mug, and I shall see you in the next vlog. Bye!